Welcome back to the channel, Biscuits. I'm kind of slowly getting back into the, well, might have been covering baby with my robe, with the swing of things. And I wanted to hear from you. Would you love to see more of my sit-down story time videos, or would you love to see more cleaning in action inspo videos? I've been doing a ton of cleaning the last couple weeks, and I just haven't been filming it. But it made me want to stop and go, oh, I have some big organizing the house projects that I want to do, of just like spring cleaning. That's what my hormones are telling me to do, or they're like, spring clean, yeah. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Let me know in the comments, is that something you'd love to see? But for today, I want to show you some of my, ooh, what's that? Homemaker Amazon Best Buys. Sometimes something will come in the mail from late Amazon, and I will be like, oh, I didn't order anything. What's this? And it's a subscribe and save box. I don't get a ton subscribe and save items, but I do get a couple here and there throughout the year that I think are good deals, and they're things that I constantly go through. So the first one is, I love this tea mix. This is so tasty. I love the berry flavors, and the peach flavor is really good if you make it into an Arnold Palmer with lemonade. It is so tasty. That's one of my yummy beverages go to, because it cuts down on the sugar from the lemonade. But it's just fun to have a little sampling pack, and my family, the little ones, love the blueberry, and they love the peach flavor as well. They're really big fans of the blueberry and the cherry flavor. For some reason, they just think this is a great flavor, and they'll actually drink it. I know several little kids that will not drink teas, that'll drink like the cherry iced tea or the blueberry iced tea. So that's kind of my go-to subscription box, and it just came in the mail when I was about to film this, and I went, oh, I forgot it was coming. But I'm so glad, because I've been out of it. I drank it all. And it's just a great way to drink something tasty that isn't adding sugar or calories to your daily food intake, where you just don't notice it, right? You know, I feel like things that I drink are so easy to add sugar to. And you'll get through your week and go, oh, boy, I'm not feeling so great. How much sugar have I had this week? Majorly tons. Do I love the sugar? Yes. Am I super excited to be off my gestational diabetes diet? Heck yeah. If you follow along on my main channel, you know that I talk about this a whole lot over the last many months, that I was very sad about my gestational diabetes diet, because I do not enjoy that particular diet. It's like really high fat, can't have any carbs, can't have any sugar. What's the, carbs and sugar? Reasons to live. It's true. I mean, I laugh because it is so true. Okay, number 2 is, I love to get shampoos and conditioners through subscribe and save, because I will forget that I am low on conditioner shampoo. Normally shampoo, because I go through more of that than conditioner. And go, oh, I live to regret this, because I'll be in the shower and there'll be no shampoo. And then I have to use like baby shampoo or something, and it just doesn't get my hair as clean. And as you can see, I do have a lot of hair. Oh, it's very fluffy today because it was up in a hair clip. Yeah, and it's just done some interesting things, but what the heck. I am coming here from Baby Nap Central, so I'm just napping with little one here, and I thought I would pop on and gossip with you fabulous biscuits, because I missed you all. I feel like I haven't been doing as many videos on this channel as I normally would. I've been keeping up with my workout course content, and I've been keeping up with all my Patreon content, and I was like, okay, something's gotta slide a little bit. So that YouTube, I'll take a little back burner on that while I bond with family and everything with new little baby. But the shampoo and conditioner are some of the best subscribe and save things, because they're a really good deal. I love to buy that blonding shampoo, because it just kind of helps keep my hair from getting super dark in the winter. I'm one of those blondes that if you put my hair in sunlight, it gets really, really light really quickly. But I live in the Pacific Northwest. There's very little sun, and it just gets really dark in the winter. So I like to use that. I'll use it mainly winter and fall, but I'll use the blonding shampoo year round. I do find it's good to use with like a blue conditioner or something, just because it can be a little orangey or something. And I really love the scent of this blue conditioner. It smells so good. Yes, it's not something you think would smell good, but then you put it on your hair and you're like, oh, I smell delicious. I smell like a blue shampoo. I didn't know I was missing that smell. And the third thing that I get, subscribe and save, are some general makeup items. So I have this white highlighter pen that I love to put on my eyes. And I just think it always makes me feel fabulous. Like, most of the time, and I would say in 90% of the videos you see me in, I'm not wearing any foundation. Generally, I'll wear a little bit of mascara, a little bit of eye concealer, maybe some lipstick. If I feel really fabulous, I'll put on some mascara. So the highlighter pen is kind of one of my go-to things because I can just dot dot. I feel ready to go. Maybe I look like a crazy person with just highlighter on, but I feel pretty. So if you have any like go-to makeup items, they're just little things that are easy to forget. Like when I'm out busy shopping, you know, I go to Target or something, or the grocery store, and I'm like, oh, I need to stop, I need to buy this makeup thing. I never remember to do that for myself. So subscribe and save is kind of one of those ways that I'm like, oh, okay, I know that this thing will actually get to me, and I won't forget and be like, oh, I'm about to shoot a Patreon burlesque video, right? For those, I try to sometimes, you know, do more fabulous fun point makeup, and then I'll be, oh, I'm out of this, right? I'm out of this highlighter, or I'm out of this mascara, and it really helps to just know that it comes every couple months. I'm like, okay, I have extra, I'm good to go. saves me worry because I know I will forget Little Biscuit, and I will forget. Now, another thing that I have bought, subscribe and save, and this is more of a funny story, is a pizza stone. I would not think this is something people would get every month. Like, how many pizza stones are you going through? Normally, a pizza stone, I feel like, lasts for years. I think it was last year. I know I talked about it in the vlogs. I can't remember exactly when, but I think it was last year I bought a pizza stone because my oven likes to just incinerate things. The whole stove oven combo thing, it's some deranged monster that light things on fire. I've never lit food on fire in my life. I've cooked for a long time since I was a kid. My dad used to be a cook, so he taught me how to cook. And not until this oven have I ever lit anything on fire or singed anything in these ways. It's bizarre. So to tame this beast, I bought the pizza stone. But it turns out if you need a pizza stone every day, every month, every week, you can get it just delivered to your door from Amazon. Which I think, and that just tickles me. I don't know why. I just think it's such an unusual thing to be able to subscribe to. If it were different pizza stones, maybe, or like pizza stones with flavors, but no, just the pizza stone, which you have to season, so it takes a while. I don't know. Can you get, okay, biscuits, tell me in the comments, can you get, I've never looked this up, can you get cast iron subscriptions, like, where they'll just send you different cast iron pans? That would be awesome. I have one cast iron pan that I love, and I have one that I use on camping, but I never use it the rest of the year, so it's not really seasoned, doesn't work as well. And one of my goals this spring is to season that for upcoming camping trips in the summer. Boy, have I lost all ability to think of what seasons are. Yeah. So we're going to bring you along on that, I think probably with the vlogs. Although I might do some cleaning tips for, you know, cleaning out your car, cleaning out your tent and things, and keeping things tidy while we camp. But that doesn't come up until the summer because biscuits, this might shock you this far north, is still quite cold. I know today's the high of 48, but there's actually, you can see from the window, there's actually some sunlight. And I feel like that's both shocking, but then I go out and I think it's going to be warm. Woo! And it's not. It's still cold. It's got wind chill factors.
Can I ask a question, Mommy?
So these are some of my best subscribe and save stories because I really like to find little goodies that are just make my life easier. I have not found any good clean subscribe and save things. I find I get better deals by buying those in person in either the grocery store or in a hardware store, depending on what I'm looking for. So far, I haven't found good deals on Amazon for any of those. They always seem a little marked up. I think because they're just a small item, and like, how do you make a profit off of $2 on Amazon or something, right? So I like to buy things that I feel like are a better price, that I'm going to forget and are small items sometimes, or that are self-care items for me, like bubble bath. I'll get subscribe on my Amazon Prime account so that I can do lots of bubbles, because I do a monthly bubble bath and chat for the Patreon for my self-care theme, and it's really easy for me to forget my bubble bath. So all these self-care things, you can see a theme here. It's things that are for me and me alone, and it's so easy for me to forget completely. those are really handy. But I do try to like price compare because it's not worth the convenience to me if I'm paying, you know, a whole lot more than I would in the store. I'd rather just forego it and wait until I remember to buy it. Because I'm a cheapskate. I like a good deal on things. It's important to me. I get offended when if I've like spent $2 more on something that I know I could have saved $2 on, and I go, oh, no, I want to save this $2. So let me know in the comments, what's the weirdest thing that you've purposely or accidentally signed up for subscribe items to just get automatically delivered to your door? Doesn't have to be Amazon. Or what is the best item that you found that is like, you just have it year round now? Like the tea for me is one that I constantly get delivered because I just go through so much of it. Let me know. I will see you in the next video. I'm glad to be back on our more regular schedule because I've missed you all. Oh yeah. Oh, spring cleaning fever. Spring is in the air and I'm ready to get organized and tidy more. Yes. Let's see you in the next video. I love y'all biscuits. Big hugs. We're still in lockdown quarantine here. Things are supposed to start opening up. And I can't wait. Oh yeah, because then I can go buy myself some more scrub brushes, which I need. See you in the next video.